Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can download or how you can add ChatGPT extension in your Chrome browser. So let's go to the Chrome browser. Then right here, ChatGPT extension for Chrome. Then you can see here ChatGPT for Chrome YouTube summary. Click on this. Now here's your Chrome extension. You can add it here by clicking on add to Chrome, add extension. Your extension is added, so let's check by going here, extensions, click on ignore this, click on ChatGPT Chrome and YouTube, and you can see here your ChatGPT extension is ready. Now you can use it here. Okay, so simple. Okay, so guys, this is how you can add a ChatGPT extension in your Chrome browser easily. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.